Agriculture has come a long way from traditional methods, and today's farms rely heavily on technology to maximize productivity and minimize labor. From smart irrigation systems to AI-powered machinery, modern farming is more efficient, precise, and sustainable than ever before. Spring onion farming is a perfect example of how agricultural technology can optimize crop yield and reduce wastage. With the use of GPS-guided tractors, soil sensors, and data-driven crop management systems, farmers are able to grow healthier crops with fewer resources. In large-scale spring onion farms, drones are used to monitor crop health and identify issues like pest infestations or water stress before they spread. This allows for timely intervention, leading to better crop outcomes. Automation has significantly reduced the workload in harvesting and processing. Machines now perform tasks that used to require dozens of manual laborers, ensuring consistency and speed without compromising quality. In this video, we'll show you the complete journey of spring onions from planting to packaging, highlighting how technology is revolutionizing every step of the process. Let's dive into the green fields where it all begins. Spring onions, also known as green onions or scallions, thrive in well-drained soil with plenty of sunlight. Farmers begin by selecting high-quality seeds and preparing the land using rotary tillers to break down soil clumps and ensure proper aeration. After soil testing and leveling, rows are carefully marked, and seeds are either directly sown or transplanted using mechanical planters. These machines ensure even spacing, which is crucial for uniform growth and efficient harvesting. Once planted, irrigation systems, often drip-based, are used to maintain the right moisture level. Fertilizers and organic composts are applied based on nutrient requirements identified through soil sensors. During the growing phase, pest control is managed using integrated pest management systems, combining biological methods and selective spraying. Weed control is achieved through mechanical weeders or mulch layers that prevent unwanted plant growth. Within 60 to 90 days, depending on climate and soil type, the spring onions are ready for harvest. Throughout this period, data from sensors and drones help farmers make informed decisions to optimize growth and quality. Harvesting spring onions on a large scale requires both precision and speed. When the green tops are firm and the bulbs are of desired size, harvesting begins typically early in the morning to preserve freshness. Specialized harvesting machines equipped with blades and conveyors gently uproot the onions, shake off excess soil, and lay them in rows. These machines ensure minimal damage to the delicate stems and bulbs. Manual labor still plays a role in sorting and bundling onions in the field, especially in regions where precision is needed or machines can't reach. Workers inspect the quality, removing damaged or underground plants. After bundling, the onions are loaded into crates or trucks equipped with ventilation systems to keep the produce fresh while being transported to the processing plant. Efficiency at this stage is crucial. The quicker the harvested onions reach the processing facility, the better their flavor, texture, and nutritional value remain intact. Now, let's follow them to the factory. At the processing plant, spring onions undergo a rigorous cleaning and sorting procedure. First, they are washed in multiple stages to remove soil, pesticides, and other residues. High-speed conveyors and automated sorting machines categorize the onions by size and quality. This ensures uniformity in the final product, whether it's for retail packaging or bulk sale. After sorting, the onions are trimmed, roots and excess leaves are removed using precision cutting machines. Depending on the end use, they may be chopped, sliced, or packed whole. The processed onions are then packed in moisture-controlled environments to retain freshness. Vacuum-sealed or nitrogen-flushed packaging extends shelf life, especially for export purposes. Finally, the packages are labeled, coated, and stored in cold rooms before distribution. The entire process follows strict hygiene and quality standards, ensuring only the best reaches the consumers. Spring onions are more than just a flavorful addition to meals, they're packed with nutrients. Rich in vitamin C, vitamin K, and folate, they help strengthen immunity and promote blood circulation. These green veggies are a great source of antioxidants, which help combat inflammation and oxidative stress in the body. Regular consumption may support heart health and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Spring onions are also low in calories and high in fiber, making them a great choice for weight management and digestive health. Plus, they have natural antibacterial properties. Compounds like allicin found in spring onions can help lower cholesterol levels and manage blood sugar, making them beneficial for individuals with diabetes or heart conditions. Whether eaten raw in salads or cooked in dishes, spring onions add both taste and health to your plate. So next time you enjoy that bite of freshness, remember there's a lot of goodness packed in every stem. We hope you enjoyed this deep dive into the world of spring onion farming and processing. From the fields to your kitchen, a lot goes into making these humble greens available year-round. The dedication of farmers, the power of technology, and the efficiency of processing plants all play a vital role in this journey. It's a testament to how modern agriculture can feed millions. If you learned something new or just loved seeing the entire cycle of spring onion production, please hit the like button, subscribe, and drop a comment below. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and family who are curious about farming, food processing, or just love fresh veggies. Thanks for being part of our Agri land and tech community. Stay tuned for more amazing content about crops, farming innovations, and the science behind your food. See you in the